Introducing Pop-up video ads, a powerful way to grab attention in today's busy digital world. These video ads pop up every 8 seconds, making sure your message gets noticed. Not only do they share your information, but they also easily direct viewers to your website, boosting traffic and engagement. Classified Adverts offers this exciting platform, designed to benefit both visitors and advertisers. Forget boring and expensive ads. Pop-up video ads make sure you stand out online. Using hashtags, keywords, industry categories, and clear product descriptions, Classified Adverts ensures your ad reaches the right people at the right time. Whether you're promoting a product, business, or service, our platform gives you the visibility you need to succeed. So now, let's dive into the tutorial on how to publish video pop-up ads on this platform. First of all, log into your account and open the dashboard, where you will see a lot of options available. Click on Video Pop-up Ads from the left menu and then click on Upload. You will be able to see an interface like that. Basically, you have to buy this ads. This section shows the total purchased ads. This shows total published ads, and this one shows total available ads. So for buying this ad you just have to click on this Buy Now button and simply have to follow the checkout rules. Once you completed your order, you will be landed to a page like that where you will be able to see a form displaying your total purchase. The ads over here. First of all, you have to add a suitable title for your ad over here. After that you have to add a product URL on which you want to redirect user on clicking your ad. After setting URL, you have to select a suitable page as ad category where you want to show your ad. Moving next, you have to add a suitable hashtags for your ad over here on which your ad will ranks up on this platform. At last, the main step is to upload video from here, which will represent your ad on this platform. Now as per my requirement, I had filled the form and now I'm ready to hit the publish button. Once I hit the publish button, after some processing, I will be notified that your ad is published successfully over here. Now let's move to the front end, that how our published ad looks like. Switch to that page on which you published your ad. Once page loads properly, we can see that my published ad is displaying over here in the form of pop-up, and when someone clicks on this ad, he will be redirected to the URL which I inputs over there while publishing ad. That's all how video ad works on classifiedadverts.com. Thanks for watching video.